Trying to decide between a heat pump and a furnace? With energy costs climbing and climate zones shifting, choosing the right system can save you thousands over time. But the best choice? It depends on where you live and your particular needs. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which system fits your home and your budget. Most homeowners think a furnace is the obvious go-to for heating, but heat pumps have come a long way in recent years, and in the right conditions, they can be far more efficient. The real challenge is understanding how each works, what they cost, and which one performs better in your climate. We'll break it all down in simple terms, no HVAC jargon needed. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to become a true HVAC pro. Let's start with the basics. A furnace burns fuel, usually natural gas, oil, or propane, to generate heat. A heat pump, on the other hand, moves heat rather than generating it. It pulls warmth from the outside air, even in winter, and transfers it indoors. This is the same basic process your refrigerator uses to maintain its temperature. Some heat pumps can also reverse in summer to act like an air conditioner, giving you both heating and cooling in one unit. In milder climates, heat pumps can be up to 3 times more efficient than furnaces because they don't burn fuel. But in freezing temps, they start to lose efficiency and may need backup heat. Furnaces, meanwhile, stay powerful even in extreme cold, but they come with higher fuel costs, especially with rising gas prices. Upfront, a furnace is typically cheaper to install. Furnace installations are around $3,500 to $6,000, while heat pump installation is typically in the $4,500 to $10,000 plus range, and even higher for cold weather rated systems, and depending on unit size and the brand and model. The good news? Heat pumps often qualify for rebates and tax incentives, especially in Canada. Now here's where geography matters. In southern Ontario, BC, or coastal areas with milder winters, a heat pump is often the more cost-effective, eco-friendly option. In Alberta, the prairies, or northern U.S. regions, where temperatures regularly drop below -10 degrees Celsius, a gas furnace or a hybrid system, furnace and heat pump, might make more sense. Newer cold climate heat pumps can work in -25 degrees Celsius, but performance varies by model and how well insulated your home is. In much of Canada and other colder regions, having a dual heating system with a backup furnace is most common. When it comes to environmental impact, heat pumps win this round. They don't burn fossil fuels, and when paired with clean electricity, they dramatically lower your home's carbon footprint, assuming most of your local electricity isn't generated with, say, coal. Furnaces rely on gas or oil, and while newer models are more efficient, they still emit greenhouse gases. And in terms of maintenance and lifespan, furnaces typically last 15 to 20 years, and heat pumps around 10 to 15 years. Heat pumps may need more regular maintenance since they run year-round. That said, both systems benefit from annual checkups to keep them efficient and safe. So, furnace or heat pump? It really comes down to your climate, budget, and long-term goals. Want efficiency and eco-friendliness? Go heat pump. Need raw power in frigid temps? A furnace might be your best bet, at least as a backup or supplementary option to your heat pump. Check out more buying guides, real customer reviews, and interactive tools and cost calculators at FurnacePrices.ca. And if you found this video useful or interesting, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear about your experience or questions with HVAC systems.